Hello, friends. Good afternoon to everybody. Hi, my name is Mohammad Zubair. Here, today, the main intention for conducting this session is regarding the brief introduction of at campus software. Uh, the at campus software regarding overall ERP based application that will helpful for the student for school management as well as the college management software. So friends, go by moving forward. Here I can explain overall. Just this session includes some basic introduction of the at campus application. So let's start with the major thing of major advantages of using this application is whatever we are doing the manual work in our day-to-day activity in the student college or school wise. So those activity related to, for example, student registration, student attendance, student mass, staff registration, staff details, whatever HR module and finance related activities and academics related activities. So those are those things we will require by using this application. So this application basically includes uh, mm, three basic pillar, like for first is the master setting, second is the um, second is process, and third is the reports. Here master settings is the major thing. Here we are gonna do the settings related to the process, and whatever the process we will do, we will execute in the process whatever the activity we are performing related to academic, students, staff, admin related, HR related, finance related, and academics related. Those process we will perform in the modules in the process setting, the process stage. Then comes to the third basic pillar, like reports. The reports is nothing but whatever the activity which are going to perform in the process, those process output will be displayed in the reports. So let me start with the basic initial settings. So here we will do for the basic branch setup. Like for example, in admin we have organizational settings, like one organizational having number of records based on with respect to year wise. Here year wise in the sense we are gonna give overall activity, like academic year, curriculum, class division, how many classes, their division, their level, then subject and teachers. First of all, I will start with the academic year section. So nowadays, so the current year we are, this is the process for creating the, this is for creating the academic year. We are, as you can see, there are a lot of year already has been created in this session. So if you are here in this application, we have a common feature, like for plus symbol we can create addition of the record by clicking this symbol. Okay, where we can add a start date of the academic year and in due date of the academic ending date, and that which date, that academic year 2020, 1920, whatever it may be. Like for suppose here you can see the example. See, start date is 1st 5 2020. You can select directly from the calendar and you can type the academic year. So right now we have created already. So this is the process of creating the academic year. So out of this academics year, right now the active academic year is 1920. Active in the sense, active and inactive the status, where we can check the record with respect to this uh, academic year wise. Okay, next is the curriculum master. Curriculum in the sense, every school or colleges having their own curriculums. Like for example, as you can see here, there are a lot of curriculums like CBSC, previous batch, special, state board, any, as you can create any kind of curriculum as with respect to your requirement. So here this application provides the user to enter their requirements. As per their requirements, they can able to add the record. Okay, here if I'm creating any record like this XYZ curriculum, I can save those records, will be saved here. So whatever classes come under this curriculum will be manageable. Like for example, next is the class level master. Like level in the sense how many, like suppose if you are running a pre-primary school, just level will be the pre-primary. If you are running college, you like degree, so degree college will level. If you are running a high school, so that level will be considered as the level master as a high school. So for example, if you want to create any level, so here you can give one thing, high school, so which is state board. Here actually we are mapping here the classes with the classes level with respect to the curriculum, so which level belongs to the which curriculum. Then classes, so here we are creating a classes in our schools, how many classes we are running. So for example, I have created one 8. Then I will select a C state board, and I have created one level by name high school. So 8 class will come, it will come under the high school level. So here I am doing the class master creation. Okay, as you can see, the class 8 curriculum is state board and label is high school. Okay, now division master means this school, this class contains how many divisions. So here we can create the commonly divisions A, B, C, D, or any kind of division you can create as per you. So see, as you can see, there are a lot of divisions people have created in the demo version. So as per your requirement, you can create your own division. Now, after creation of the division, the main thing is that you need to map the division with the class. Like, for example, class division mapping. Like, I have created one class, and division. I have created one division by name star batch. Okay, and under that division, how many seat capacity, like 100 or whatever it may be, you can create here. In future, if you want to edit this seat capacity also, you can edit this seat capacity. Okay, now the class order means the way you order the classes based on the your institution requirements. Here's a checkbox. As per your requirement, you can arrange the reorder the classes ordering. Next, subject master. Subject master in the sense in our classes, how many subjects we are gonna conducting, and their subject code, their whether it is optional or mandatory or practical, whatever is it may be, you can create here. Like for example, physical level, under the level high school. So under this level, I have created one class by name 8 class. The subject one, whether it is mandatory or theory or optional, you can create it. Okay, mandatory. Okay, here you have created the subject master. Now I will show you only one thing, that how to set up. I have shown you how to do the setup of basic organizational setting. So friends, thank you for so much. Here I will concluded the overall basic introduction and organizational settings related to the at campus structure. In the next video, we will recover our next part of video includes this how we will do the settings for the student registration and how to do the staff registrations. So here I will summarize the whatever we have concluded, the basic introduction of at campus software and overall organizational settings. Under that organizational settings, we have included academic year, how to create the academic year, and how to set up as a active or stay inactive, and curriculum master. In curriculum master we have created the curriculum, and then next class master. In level next is the level master, means how many levels we are running. Like suppose if you are running a high school or a higher primary, we need to mention if you are running a pre-primary as well as the primary. So here we have created a level master as a pre-primary and level master as a primary also. Then under that primary level, how many classes we are running? Like suppose if you are running a pre-primary, only LKG, UKG, nursery will be classes belongs to that particular level. And if you are running a primary, that primary will be the from 1 to 7. And if you are running a level as a high school, that includes classes from it ranges from 8 to 10 classes. And then we have created the divisions where the number of divisions belongs to that particular class. Then after division, how many classes having how many divisions, and out of which division belongs to that class, and mapping we have done. In the under that we have assigned the allocated seat capacity for respective class division. Then we have created a subject. In that subject master we have created a subject belongs to particular level, and then we have added whether the subject is mandatory or optional or theory. Then this much of what we have covered. In the next video we will cover to the next video. So thank you so much guys for your time. Thanks so much.